Hey folks, ET here coming at you with the pre-market prep, so let's get to it. So we had another wild day yesterday where we covered all of our gamma range and then some throughout the day. We got all the way up to 580 and we dipped a little bit down close to just 40 cents-ish shy of 570. So gamma range doing its job. Another red dex popped up, so we got a couple of greens in a row there, now a red. Let's see what we get for continuation. Customer sentiment starting to get interesting. We've got two green bars in a row. Wouldn't say we're completely bullish yet, but it is starting to look like we have a shot at that for sure for buy the dip mode. 570 on up. This whale target just came back, disappeared, so it is back again at 600 right up there for the time being. Another one at 578. Then our lower target at 570, which we keep testing. So we've had a pretty abrupt move here, and we've still kind of not really gone up, if you will. We've just had a lot of volatile up and down days. Like to see another bar for continuation, and then we get into that buy the dip mode. Moving on to our SIG prints, 583.1, 37 prints. That's a lot. Mark this on your chart as a very important point of price contention. As always, do not sweat bull bear when it comes to these. Just mark them on your charts like a support resistance. Our aggregate was up here all the way at 611, has walked down to 585 now, making a little bit more sense with at least where price action has been as of late. So if we have a nice bull day, 585.30 would be the spot we'd want to eye for upside moves. Don't need to worry about this huge one up here at the moment anymore, as it's not our largest on the board. Mark all these on your charts or ping the bot like I do. Jumping into our gamma. Well, we're about 574 mid 574 right now. As in the pre-market session, we have non-farm payroll today, NFP today, so we could see some volatile candles before the market even opens. Plain and simple, we break at 575, we've got 580. We don't, we're coming on back down to 571. Still this huge positive gamma cluster here on the ag that we'd have to rip through and repel downwards to get all the way to that 561. Largest pull on the board is 590, pretty far away unless non-farm sends us on up, and then the largest downside pull is 562. Let's jump into today's data, which was kind of crazy when I looked at it last night. Just taking a look here, let's see. So biggest pull on today's is 565, which would be absolutely insane. 580 is a huge repel. We break that, we have room to 584. We break that, we have room to 594. Downside look, if we can't get above 580, we're going to take 576, then down to 571, and then I guess 556. Usually, I'm not gonna say 556 just playing there, but I would not be shocked to see this 565. Usually, I'd put an X on it. If we get a bearish day and a negative reaction to non-farm, that could very well happen. I would usually say put an X on it. But the last few times I've done that when we were too far away on price, we moved towards that direction one way or another. So now we can't discount anything, which is absolutely wild. All right, that is all for now. Everybody have a good day. Stay safe out there and go get that Oprah money.